Jeff here, Gravel Casual Bikepacking. Welcome to the channel. No ride video this week, but I do have a video for you. It's on an equipment upgrade. Got a lot of comments from my Great Allegheny Passage and C&O towpath that people were saying that they couldn't hardly hear me talk, so I've decided to change that for you guys. I'm gonna go with an external mic. I'll show you we'll go through the setup and what I had to buy and all that stuff. Okay guys, first thing I had to buy was a different case for it because my system takes an adapter. I shoot on the GoPro 6 black. Anyways, with this case, the case holds the GoPro and it holds the adapter all in one nice neat little package. You can see it behind me. The back comes off, GoPro goes in from the back. It's got a door that slides down from the top. Okay guys, the second thing I had to buy was the actual GoPro adapter in order to connect the mic to the camera. It's a GoPro 3.5mm adapter. One end's got a USB-C and the other end's got the spot where you plug the actual mic into it, as you can see behind me. After doing much research, I figured out what kind of mic I wanted to use. Seemed like a lot of people were using it. It's the Rode Video Micro. You can see it behind me. It's got a hot shoe, fits into a hot shoe. It's got like a suspension on it. I guess it kind of cuts down on the noise. And it also has the dead cat to block out a lot of air and stuff like that. A lot of extra noises. Okay, one more thing I had to buy. There just really wasn't a way around it. I put all this together and I couldn't get the dead cat out of the picture. So I had to find some kind of adapter to raise it up, so this is what I came up with. It gets the dead cat out of the picture, and I could mount my phone in it and use it as a monitor as I'm videoing myself. Okay guys, this is what it looks like all together. I'm on it right now. Here in a second we'll unplug the mic and you should be able to hear the difference. Okay guys, here it is without the mic. I'm sure you can tell quite the difference. Probably a little bit more echoey. I've had this set up for about a week now. Been using it, messing around with it. Seems to be a pretty good setup. It's not near as compact as it was. It's kind of big and bulky, but if it makes the audio better, so be it. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next one.